Hi guys, and today we're going to show you these things, slimes. This is ridiculous.
Yeah!
Wait, you want to tell us you can put your slime in the camera?
So here is the blue caution slime.
And this is the...
Get the jar.
No, it has no, it has no. This is the magic clay slime. It is. Yeah, it's pokey.
So first we're gonna play a game. We're gonna see if my slime. So Betty Jean's gonna close her eyes. I'm gonna hide my slime. So I'm gonna hide it in here, or I'm gonna hide it somewhere else. Okay? You alright?
So what do I have to do?
So close your eyes,
Okay.
and then when I get to 3, you gotta open your eyes.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Where is it?
Oh, it's hard.
You can open your eyes.
Can I?
Yeah.
Where's the... I hang slime somewhere.
Yeah, I hid it somewhere.
Oh no. Oh, this.
Where do you think it is?
In the container.
And is she right? Yes, she is.
Oh, yeah, look at this.
Okay,
Ew, Thomas.
now she's gonna count again.
No.
Now she's gonna hide it from me.
My slime has some of your blue things in
Eh,
it. So I gotta hide your slime?
yeah.
Okay, I'll hide this. It has to be in the container somewhere, eh?
It has to be in the container or anyway.
Okay, close your eyes. Keep them closed. Keep them closed.
Betty Jean, you count to 3.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, done.
Is it in here?
Yes. It's real. Look at this slime. It's really cool because it's blue.
Let's see if we can blow bubbles with this.
I
Well,
can't.
we're not gonna blow them.
No, look. I show you how I have it. So we're going to try and blow a bubble, which it will be easy. It's easy to blow big. It's easy to blow all of these slimes. Thomas, not like, do you blow bubbles like that? It's hard. Yeah. It smell, guys. No, you can't smell it. Okay, I'm gonna try and
Okay.
Look at this, guys. Look at my bubble.
Okay, guys.
So thanks for watching.
Wait. One more game. So we're gonna put the containers. We're gonna put the slime in the containers, and they have to try guess where their slime is. So we need an extra. Okay, so I'm gonna hide them, and Betty Jean has to, find her one. So put your lid on.
Why do I need a lid on?
Cause
You can always see my slime.
true. No, you gotta close your eyes and not gonna hide it behind one of these.
Ah, okay. So he's gonna hide my slime behind one of these orange balls over here you can't see.
Okay.
So,
Close your eyes.
I'm closing my eye. So you're gonna hide one behind one, or both of them behind one. Or do I have to just guess what my slime is?
Yep. Wait, I haven't finished yet.
I think I just saw it.
You gotta close your eyes.
Okay, I have to close my eyes, guys.
Okay. Which one do you think it is behind?
I would say this one.
Yo! Now you gotta try. You hide mine.
Okay. Go. No. Okay, I need to do it again because you're not allowed to look.
Oh, you put them on their side because they're bigger.
Okay, close your eyes. Close your eyes. Okay, go. You're not allowed. I'll put my What one? Just put touch one. I need to put it.
Yes.
I want to open it. Can I open it?
Yeah. Open it. Yeah.
Whoa! It's like water, guys. I've got some water for you.
I'll show you how one. I'm gonna show.
Toxic wave. Is it called toxic wave or toxic slime?
Yeah, it's called toxic slime.
So hope you enjoyed this
Oh.
video, guys.
Wait. I'm gonna show them. I'm gonna show you guys how to blow another bubble with the slime.
And then I'll show you. And then that will be the end of the video, guys. This is
Wait, please like and subscribe.
Jojo. See why I love your channel. Like I do. I've got a lot of keeps your bows. Because Thomas is New Zealand Pākehā. And I'm a New Zealand Pākehā. No. I'm a Māori, half Māori.
Wait, I need to
You won't
stretch
make
it
a bubble
out.
like this.
Need to stretch it out.
I can easily make a bubble with those. You won't.
Ow. Okay.
now-
It's easy to
My
make
turn.
stuff with the.
Okay, guys, I'll show you my slime, how to make a bubble. It's really easy, because you guys. So this bubble, you gotta do this and make it a
Okay, I'm
hole
just gonna put
and
my
blow it.
stuff on.
It looks so cool.
But it deflates.
No, it won't, because it's covered.
But it's gonna deflate.
Yeah. Well, look at the guys. I'm gonna
Okay, my turn.
No, that
Again.
was the end of the video.
Oh yeah. See ya.
Subscribe, Jojo. See you. Bye.